manufacturer, the P-51, which we're also going to see flying with the B-25 today. Now the B-25 was designed as a medium bomber, and it got its real big fame off of the Doolittle raid. Remember, Jimmy Doolittle put B-25s on naval carriers to go and strike at Tokyo. Very, very secret plan. Very, very bold plan. Made in the shade. Like I said, it's a B-25, the J model. It started life with the J model. Flew in World War II out of Corsica, flew 18 combat missions out of Corsica. And actually received a fair amount of black cannons on the aircraft. And they got to cruise on every single time. Kind of aircraft flying that you see today. Now we'll have a little bit of pyrotechnics out here a little bit later, I believe. Coming from the right, made in the shade with his crew, and Mr. Kevin Eldridge on the right side, and on our right, his left, the P-51 Mustang. Bins right next to your head. All right, take a look from the right, the B-25 and the P-51, both produced by North American Aviation. And folks, if you're over in the main section here, Show Center, there's a Jeep Grand Cherokee blocking the way for the Clydesdales that are coming in. Please, if you have the Jeep Grand Cherokee over here near Show Center, please move your vehicle and just park. Yeah, it looks like just park it along the lines of the other cars over there. Thank you. Right, as the P-51 and made in the shade, make the pass. You're gonna feel the heat on this one, I think. Courtesy of Fallon's EOD. Shook the announcer stand up here. You feel the heat on that? That's pretty slick. Well, if you didn't put your suntan lotion on, that should be a reminder for you. Hey, a big thank you to all of you folks out there that are members of the Commemorative Air Force and volunteer a lot of hours keeping these aircraft flying. I know the ground crew for Made in the Shades down here in the area. We certainly appreciate all their great efforts.